Okay, sir, Arico, on another equally important concern, ang presidente mingon he will run after those involved in agri-smuggling. Unsang klase, sir, ang response sa gusto nimo makita?
Ang gusto na akong makita, maramdaman ko yung intelligence fund sa confidential fund. Kasi dapat, sa laki niyang intelligence and confidential fund, which is running in billions, it should be easy to identify who are these culprits. Until now, sige, istorya na bilang ng araw nila, group doon sila, pero wala pa man tayong dinig na nakasuhan. So, if we do not give them a sample, hindi natin ma-expect na titigil yan basta-basta.
Yung sinabi ng presidente, Sir Ber, na magiging economic sabotage na yung, even ang yung pag-manipulate ng presyo ng commodity, what do you think, sir?
Actually, that is just a reiteration of an existing law. We have a law against economic sabotage. Kaya lang, nilalagay yan usually ng presidente sa isang executive order to emphasize the enforcement of a specific and existing law. So, nandyan na yan. Hindi lang na-enforce mabuti.